I'm André Rich. I'm a Technical Operations Analyst here at Aerobotics. So basically what I do is I coordinate the Tech Ops team. So what we do is whenever there's a case where our automated stitching pipeline fails, then basically our team goes in and we do some manual human intervention to ensure that drone data gets processed correctly. I joined on the 15th of January 2018, so ages ago in aerobotics terms. So just before that I studied computer systems at CPUT and then came and did my internship here at Aerobotics. So if I'm not looking at data at the office, I'm quite frequently looking at data from home, but when I'm not working, I'm quite an avid news consumer, so I spend quite a lot of time either reading or discussing current affairs, and then also just browsing through the entire infotainment section on YouTube. I love that sort of thing, just anything and everything that's interesting. When I get into the office, the boring answer unfortunately is I go and refresh our heat map to see what weird and wonderful new issues popped up overnight. Usually in the evening I would go and look at what's being uploaded, and then in the morning it's a nice little surprise to see what worked, what didn't work. It's always interesting to see the amazing ways that things can go wrong, and try to figure those out and fix those. I think the cliche answer for anyone that's in any way involved in tech, I think would be Elon Musk, but I'm gonna go with Barack Obama though, because I just absolutely admire that guy's patience in the face of so many adversity and frustrations. I would just like to know, how does he do it? How was he able to just keep on keeping on? That would be an amazing conversation.